The scientific method is a process to explore observations and answer questions. Let's go through these steps together. Step 1 of the scientific method is to ask a question. Step 2 is to do background research. Step 3 is to make a hypothesis. Step 4 is to test the hypothesis with an experiment. Step 5 is to analyze the results of the experiment. Step 6 is to draw a conclusion. Step 7 is to communicate the results. Let's give this scientific method a shot with conducting our own experiment. My mom is trying to decide which paper towels to buy at the store that will absorb more and clean up all my messes. So I want to ask the question, what kind of paper towels will be more absorbent? I know that step 2 is to do background research. So I read some articles on what paper towels are made of and what absorbency means. The next step is to make a hypothesis. My hypothesis is that I believe that expensive brands of paper towels are more absorbent. The next step is to test my hypothesis by conducting an experiment. I gather 4 brands of paper towels, 2 cheap brands, and 2 expensive brands. I fill a beaker up with exactly 200 milliliters of water. Then I fold the towel and insert it into the water and hold it there for 15 seconds. I gently remove the paper towel and measure how much water is left in the beaker. Then I calculate just how much water the paper towel absorbed. I repeat this for all 4 brands and record my data. When looking at the data I collected, I can see that there was less water in the beakers after I removed the expensive brands of paper towels. My conclusion is if there was less water in the beaker after I removed the expensive brands of paper towels, that must mean that they are more absorbent than the cheaper brands. Now I need to communicate these results to my mom so she can buy the right kind of paper towels. I hope you now have a better understanding of what the scientific method is about.